directly in the center. Then draw a horizontal line dividing the circle into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you have to divide each part into more 3 equal parts. So mark 2 dots and connect it through the center of the circle. So now we have 1, 2 and 3. Repeat the same in the remaining half. Check the center point. So now we have our circle in 12 parts. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct. Now let us mark this wheel with the primary colors first. So in the first column, mark red. Leave 3 gaps, 1, 2, 3 and mark yellow. Again leave 3 gaps and mark blue. So we have the primaries here. Now you see here there are 3 parts. You have to find the center part and mark the secondary color orange. Find the center and mark green. And last, violet. Now let's start with the primary colors first. Start coloring using oil pastels. So this was red. Let's take yellow. And blue. Let's start with the secondary colors. For orange, you require red and yellow. So let's take the darker color first, that is red. And then use yellow over it. Blue and yellow gives you green. So blue is darker, so you make use of it first and then use yellow over it. Last, violet. So let's use blue first and then red over it. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue and violet. Now let us mark the tertiary or the intermediate colors. Note that the proper way to refer the tertiary or intermediate is by listing the primary color first and the secondary color second. So here we have red and orange, red, orange. Now yellow and orange will be yellow, orange or yellowish orange. Next, green or yellow? Yes, yellow and green. Because yellow is primary and green is the secondary. So this will be yellow green. then it is blue green, blue violet, and last is red violet. So now we have the names of all the colors on the color wheel. So let's start coloring it. Now red orange. Red orange will have more of red in it and less of yellow or less of orange in it. So start coloring it with red with more pressure. Apply yellow over it and you'll see the color is orange but more closer to red. So that is reddish orange. So we have red, red orange and orange. So next we want yellow orange. For this you have to apply red very lightly. The pressure you have to apply should be less than what you have used for orange. So now work with yellow over it and you will notice you get orange but which is more of yellowish. So for red orange you'll have to use red with lot of pressure, for orange medium pressure, and for yellow orange you'll use the same red with very little pressure and you'll get this range of colors. Now for yellow green, you'll have to use blue with very little pressure. So here we have yellow green. For blue green, work with blue with more pressure and then use yellow over it. For blue violet, work with blue with more pressure, and for red violet with less pressure. So here we have our color wheel. Please see that your work is neat and clean. Last, before we end, let me show you something. This one is a Newton's disc, also known as the disappearing color disc. When it spins very fast, you'll see how the 7 colors of the spectrum go together to make white light. Hope you enjoy this lesson. See you next class. Thank you.